kiufundi au TVET vimetajwa kuwa nguzo muhimu ya serikali kuwafikia ruwaza ya mwaka 2030. Waziri wa Elimu Ezekiel Machogu akizungumza mjini Migori kule alipomtembelea Gavana Ochilo Ayako alielezea kuwa taasisi hizo za masomo zina jukumu muhimu katika kuwapa ujuzi wa Kenya juu ya kuimarisha sekta ya viwanda na kupiga jeki hali ya uchumi.
And as the producers can say yes, we have next year we'll be able to make a profit. It comes that particular year, we find the government is also building TVET, technical and training institutes in each and every constituency. There are 290 constituencies in this country. For the young people in each and every place to be able to acquire that very much needed technical and vocational training, because we cannot be able to industrialize. And one of our targets, objectives as a country are set in the 2008 Vision 2030 is for us to industrialize. We can also only do so once our people require and acquire the necessary required technical knowledge.
We may start by having a constituent college, because you cannot birth something and it becomes an adult in one day. But eventually the vision that should be part of what we are discussing today, we may not put it in the document, should be ultimately the people of Migori, and ultimately all counties should have a university in every county. Population is coming up. More people are registering for studies, and Migori must not be left behind. Yes, we have Rongo University, but look at the 1.3 million people here. We can have more universities.